I am back like never leave. Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? My name is Angel Savior. If today is the first time you are just seeing my channel, please subscribe. If you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. Today I will be talking about some men when they abandon their wife, some men when they send their wife back to their parents, some men when they leave their wife, all because their wife could not give birth to a male child, which is very bad. If you be man and your wife na also female children na she dey give birth to, it is normal. All you need to do is for you to be appreciating God for what He is doing in your life, because it is not easy. So many people when they look for children, just even those na just one, they not see you when God dey bless with female children and you are still complaining. What be your problem? Why will you complain? Tell me, why will you complain? Do you think it is easy? You no, all these men una think say e easy to create person. If you think say e dey easy, make you yourself as you dey complain say your wife no give birth to a male child, make you go create or you go mold or you go do how you wan do am just for you to get or have that male child. It is not possible. You can never do it. That is the main reason why you must always give praise to God. For God to dey bless you and your wife with female children, you know wetin they do. You must not complain. If you are a man and you are complaining, you need to stop complaining. You need to stop. Una go dey put the blame for una wife body. So many men don't leave their wife all because say their wife not give birth to a male child. You will see when some men go pregnant, the pregnant girl finish because say the girl not give birth to a male child, they will abandon them, leave their wife with their baby for hospital. It is bad. Because this life, you don't know who will help you. You dey find male children. You dey find male children. May God bless you with male children. Yes, God will bless you with male children. Not be for you. That one not mean say you can't go dey put the vaccination for your wife. Can't dey tell your wife baba thing. Child. Or you can't tell your wife say your wife pack her things, go back to her parents, or you can't leave your wife. Who you want leave your wife for? You will not abandon your children because there be female children. You go leave them. Tomorrow now those female children can't grow, can't marry, not can invite you as a father. You will come begin the verse say that mother don't tell them bad thing about you. Una need to take care of those female children. They are all the same. If you don't say now male, female, they are all the same. Una need to know say children are blessing from God. You understand? Not be for you to dey maltreat your wife. Say your wife and she not fit give birth to a male child. Now male child now you dey find. You fit create. You want to find male child. You fit create. You dey find male child. Don't when God say bless, you know why you appreciate God. When God they give you female children, you know I appreciate God for that one. You they complain, they provoke, they talk rubbish, say you they find female male children, sorry. You they find male children. Whether male or female, they are all the same. Now those female children say they take care of those parents. You understand? Now those female children, they take care of their parents past the male children. The male children, once they don't big, they don't grow, they don't marry wife, begin they get children, they don't get their whole family, they not go get time for you as their parents. They don't say they not go they bring small thing for you. You understand? But they not go get time for you. You know sometimes parents they complain too much. Now those female children and them they get time for them. You understand? Me, I be female. I be female. You understand? I know where and how I think they support my parents. That is where una need to take good care of your own female children, because you don't know who will help you for inside tomorrow. You fit get the male child now, you go put medicine and that male child now one come bless you tomorrow. My dear, you are not God. If it not possible, as in if it not happen, it go come be now the female children now come bless the family. You understand? Those female children and them, they marry. If they don't marry, they say they remember house. Something happen now. Maybe something happen now. If you don't call that your female daughter, fast, she just they run, they come. Call your male son. He not go come. He go tell you, say, now so you get this one to do. Now so you get that one to do. Why? Because he himself get responsibility to do. He get family to take care of. You understand? But now those female children, now them, they always they come back, come they take care of their parents. They know how they care, how their parents they care, you know. They feel for their parents. They know, they want know what they happen to their parents. They will still come back home to spend holiday with their parents. And you did there, you they talk, say you need male child. Say your wife now so female children actually they give birth to. For that reason, because your wife not if you give birth to a male child, you will ask your wife to leave, or you as the man go leave the house for your wife. And it is very, very wrong. It is bad for a man to abandon his own children, abandon his own wife, all because your wife could not give birth to a male child. You will not abandon her. It is very, very, very wrong. If you are a man and when they do all those kind of things, una need to stop. Some men go give girl belle because now they expect the girl to born boy. Maybe the girl can't go born now, she can't go born girl. Now go leave the girl, say why you not born boy? Because you not born boy, I'm not gonna put money for your head. Because you not born boy, I'm not gonna take you serious as a wife. That is bad. That is very bad. You understand? That is very bad. Sometimes this blame they come from the men too. Not be for you to just they put the blame for only the lady, only your wife body. Sometimes it they come from the men. If it be your destiny, say now so guess, and you just come they born. You marry another wife. So girls, now she go they born. Now your wife go they born give you. But some men just like to they put the blame for women. Any little thing, you are the cause. Any little thing, my wife, you are the cause. That is very bad. God bless you with male. God bless you with female children or male children. All you need to do is to be appreciating God. If you like me, your wife, they born so girls, my dear, it is a blessing. It is a blessing. You need to be appreciating God because the God is too much. Many people will they find babies. Many people they look. Even only one, they will they cry to God. Even only one, and God feels say bless them. They will so much appreciate it. But you, when God is blessed with female children, you go they complain, they provoke. Call your father, call your wife, papa, tell your wife, papa say, and your daughter they come back, or because she not fit give birth to a male child, so she's coming back, I cannot marry her again, no. That is very bad. We need to be careful. We need to be careful. Those female children are the one that they reject. Now them they come out good. You go put hope for the male child. Yes, I don't say normally it's good to have a male child, you understand? But now when God tell you say yes, you go get them, now you go get them. Don't put the blame for your wife.
Continue.
Not because of say your wife they give birth to only female children, you go abandon your wife and the children. You will leave the house for your wife and the children, or you will send your wife packing, make she go back to her parents. That is very wrong. Never you do that. Learn how to appreciate God. Learn how to appreciate God. You understand? Make una dey learn how to appreciate God. Because many people they look for children, but they don't see you. When God they bless with female children, God know the reason why He they bless you with female children. That is why you need to be careful. You need to always thank God for everything He has been doing. It is not easy. If una think say it easy, you when they complain say you need male, you need male, you need boy pikin, you need male child, why you not go create? Why you not go mold? Or why you not go do am as you want do am, so that you yourself go get the boy baby?
Apostle, we hear this.
That is why you need to be thankful. You need to be thanking God. If God say yes, you go get that male child, you will have it. That is it. God no go shame us.